counties in Iowa, Black Hawk, Bremer, Butler, and Grundy. This is NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Station WXL 94 at Waterloo, Iowa, transmitting on...
Gosh. Oh my gosh. Watch this semi. Semi is going about 60 in these conditions. Goodness gracious. And he is a fuel tanker. Seriously.
When? Until midnight tonight. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Hazardous conditions will impact this. High 10 to 15. West wind 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Wind chill readings around 15 below. Friday night, partly cloudy. Bitterly cold. Low 0 to 5 below.